Hi kids! Today we will learn ABC.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for football. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for key. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nurse. O for orange. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.